Even to biology education. In this video, we are going to see relational operators in Java. So, relational operators are classified into two types. The first one it is like a comparison operators, and second one is equality operators. Okay. What operators are comes under comparison operators means. Let us use one more thing. Comparison operators are nothing but greater than or equals to, lesser than or equals to. Generally, till now in the mathematics we have used these things, right? Like comparison. For the comparison, the number is greater than or equal, or lesser than equal. Like that we have used the. So for that we have used some operators. These are those. So in the max, this is nothing but it is which is equals to like this, lesser than, greater than or equal. This is like this now, like greater than or equal, lesser than or equal, like this. But in the Java, it is not possible. So they are implemented in such a manner. Okay. What comes under equal to operators means double equal and not equal. Suppose we define a equals to 5. Let's say a is, let us something, is a equals to 5. So when this question arises, is a equals to 5, then we need some other operator, right? So we have declared like this. So this comes under, like it is like a assigning, like a equals to 5 directly we are assigning. So for comparison purpose, is a equals to 5, like that we need to compare means we need to go for the double equals. Once again I am repeating, if we need to compare is a equals to 5, for comparison purpose you need to go with a double equal. Suppose if you not like this, like a, if a is not equals to 5 means you need to go for like this. Okay. Now let us do the practical. So all this relational operators and equal operators returns a boolean value, right? So I will show you one thing. You are declared like this. Example, you are declared like this, like int a equals to 5. Just now we are declared same way. Is a greater than, let it be 2. Is a greater than 2? What is the value? Either we will get a yes or no answer. Yes or no answer is nothing but a true or false. For true or false, this is a especially we have these values, like it is nothing but a boolean value, boolean data. Okay. Now when you see the practical, you will get a clear idea. Okay. Here in this printf statement, I am giving like this. Let us initialize one value, like int a equals to 5. Let it be. Okay. Here I am giving the same example. Is a greater than 2 or not? Let us check once. When I run this, here you can see we are getting. Here you can do like this. Suppose if you want to store the resultant value is a greater than 2, you may get the requirement to store the value of like this, like you need to store the result. To what it is returning? It is returning a boolean data. Okay, either true or false. For boolean data, declare like boolean let it be result equals to like this. Simply you place the variable result. Directly you can give in the system in the printing statement, or you can declare like this also. So when I run, it giving the answer as true. Again, let us change it for the greater than or equals. Let us change the value here to something like 5. Okay. When I run this, it will like a true. Okay. Suppose when I change here to 6, what will be the output? It will be the false. Now let us see for the lesser than sorry, is a lesser than 6? Yes, 5 lesser than 6, the value is true. Let us check for the lesser than or equals to something called 3. Let it be. What will be the output? It will be the false. Okay. Now the second category, like equality operators. Here the people will get confused. So when I give like this, is a equal to 5? This is not making any sense. Here that is a what the operation here it is doing. It is assigning the 5 value inside to the a variable. Okay, the same operation is doing by this for comparison purpose, like to check is a equal to 5 or not. For the checking purpose, it is a condition, right? So for the condition you need to go for like this, like a equals to 5 or not. So what will be the output? It will be obviously true. Okay. Similarly, if when we place here not it, when I start turning, that you can say is a not equals to 5, like is 5 not equals to 5? No, it is a false. So that's why we are getting output as